Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming to you live on 4/3/2021. Doing a hit recap from our 2020 Panini Donruss Optic Hybrid H2 Football 5-boxer, which is part of our giveaway that's ending tonight. So if you catch this while we're live, we're still giving 30% off. Come check it out. All right. Color card that came out of here to 149, Ashton Davis. Silvers. Here we go. Darrington Evans, Austin Eckler, Eno Benjamin, Jalen Hurts, Trayvon Diggs, Hurts the rookies again, Rieger, Michael Thomas, DJ Dallas, Newton, Terrell, KJ Osborne, Cortland Sutton, Joe Reed, rated rookie, and the pride of Penn State, Chris Godwin. The Red Mojos, exclusive 2H2. Chason, Brian Edwards, Okuda, Duggar, Ayuk, Ruiz, Jordan Love, Matos, Akers, Murray, Pirine, Davis Roll Tide, Chenault Jr., Davis again Roll Tide, Kenneth Murray, Mr. Johnson, Jedrick Wills, Chase Claypool, Grant Delpit. We pulled an auto, Black Velocity, Terrell Lewis, and that is 4/25. We pulled a Herbert, rated rookie, red mojo. Those aren't numbered. And we pulled a Black Velocity of Tua. That is number 19/25. All right, guys, I appreciate you filling it up. I'll get it shipped out in our next shipping batch.